Hey Mecca Beauty Junkies, it's Ashleigh from Mecca Maxima. Today I've created a really bold orange monotone eye. So if you want to see how it's done, just keep on watching. So I'm going to be starting off with my base. I'm going to be using the new favourite, the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. I chose this foundation because it's super radiant and great coverage. My favourite step is bronzer. I'm going to add a bit of warmth to my face using my favourite Too Faced bronzer. It also smells like chocolate. For blush now, I'm going to be going in with the Hourglass Ambient blush in Incadescent Electra. This one also kind of doubles up as a highlighter as well. This is what you've all been waiting for, time to bring on the colour. Before anything, I'm going to be putting down the Smashbox Eyeshadow Primer, so this look won't be going anywhere. I'm pretty relaxed when it comes to my eyeshadow looks, but today I'm going to be taking it to the next level. My favourite colour is orange, so why not just put it all over my eye? I'm going to be using the Mecca Max eyeshadow duo in Bloody Mary. It's an orangey red, perfect for this look. Check it out. I'm just going to be using the cream side of the duo. So I'm just going to be taking the colour through my natural crease, and then we'll extend it a little bit afterwards. Oh my god, look at that colour. With wing liner, I usually like to start off right at the bottom of my eye and then just kind of flick it towards the end of my eyebrow, and then we'll just link up. I feel like I was holding my breath that whole time, but we made it. After all this hard work, I don't want this to be moving anywhere. I'm going to set it down with a powder. I'm actually going to be using a Urban Decay blush called Bang. I'm just going to pat this on because you don't want to move the cream at all. I'm just going to grab a smaller brush to set the wing. With all the focus being on my eyes, my brows have to look just as good, so I'm going to be going in with the Hourglass Arch Brow Pencil in Blonde. I'm just going to brush my brow hairs up and then I'm going to fill in the shape I want. Mascara time, I'm going to be using the Stila Huge Lash. This mascara is super volumizing, so it's going to add great definition. So I've pretty much put 100 layers on, but I think it looks great. To keep all the focus on the eyes, I'm going to keep it really subtle on the lips, and I'm going to be using the Mecca Lip Deluscious in Nude. We're done. How simple was that, even for such a bold look? Thanks for watching, guys. Tell me what looks you would like to see in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.